210-2021 shop SHOP, Shopify. We exhausted high reversal on the open of 1499.75. Here is a 15-minute chart of that opening bell gap. We went straight up, parabolic. We were 100% overbought on the daily chart. Then what has happened is I will go ahead and clear out. Here is we made the lows of 1408. So that is the reversal here on the 15-minute. This, in the price discovery, we set alerts right at this half bar, and that's going to be right there. And we activate it. Now, from the 15-minute perspective, that is the counter trend of that big reversal. And that was huge. 1499.75, do the math. 1408. Once it got and hit 100% overbought, that reversal came into play. And the discovery in the process and where the $1,500 put options can go. And this is the 1,500 puts, February 19th. They're 89.90 by 95.70. And we know that this side of the market can go up to $135 a contract if the shop trade comes back down. And so we have that price discovery there. And then we have the equity at 58 by 60, $1.92 spread between the buyers and the sellers. Direct access trading. These are all ECNs for active traders using our systems with the entries, of course, in the $1,500 puts, and knowing that you're looking for the dollar high reversal intraday morning. Intraday morning dollar high reversal is what we look at. And then we have the trend line that goes right there and whatnot. And when the bid would act to be buyers, but they're really sellers and jump in front of the person who is offering it out intraday during this time level. One of the things that we do very well in OptionTradingRoom. OptionTradingRoom is the premier option trading market. Always has been, always will be. Price discovery, price reversals, live entries, live exits, knowing when to get in, knowing what dollar terms of the bid to the high, that's this bid to that high, and then this bid to the low. So when we establish the dollar price movement of that intraday low bounce to that resistance right there is what we are exactly looking at. Then do we come back down on the 15-minute level though, and we will draw a support right here at that half bar to confirm this intraday movement on a 15-minute level, reversal level, intraday morning reversal level, is that the 15-minute bar would have to be greater in the previous 15-minute bar. And we make it simple because we feel by doing that, that option trading room will give you the comfort and the needs and the desires that you need when you're making your trades. Option trading room. Price identity, resistance, what reversals have to do, letting us guide you into your success is the way that we enjoy doing it. And we do. Do you want it bad enough? And do you have a trading account? And how much trading capital do you have? And do you want to be direct access to the market? And do you want to be in the option trading room and let us power you in doing that? It's far better than what you're doing right now. So we could start at that point, and then we can work it from there. But we can't work anything with you until you come in, just like we're doing with the live markets on this 15-minute chart. And it's all about the price discovery of that 15 minute, and it is. And once you make counter rallies and price volatility discovery, it's always going to be electronically direct access in execution management. You have your options right here, and you are at the lows of the day. They're $101 based on that 15-minute reversal. These values here go up, and they do, and they will. And this will be a very big trade based on the price discovery, not fantasy. No, option trading room does it all for you. Yes, it does. But it does it live like I'm doing now. The only difference is instead of watching the video and I'm doing the live trades in option trading room and price discovery reversal, that is the 15-minute chart. When we take a look at that 30-minute though, and we've been open now for 2 hours, and we can clearly see where that gap, but look at that 60-minute reversal. That's what you have to see. That's the support level right there. So I have alerts. Let me go ahead and take this trend line out. Let's take this one out. Remove that trend line there. And let it be known that we will put an alert right at the low of the day, always. Bam. And we'll activate that. And then we can see the volume right here in the last time frame. And basically on the 60-minute top right here, we look to see that this 60-minute bar comes down, and we will set another alert on the 60-minute intraday. It goes right here. Bam. That's going to be half the value of that wick. And there is that alert. And there it is on the 60-minute. And here it is in the bid and ask. And here it is. These put contracts are going up in dollar value. And yes, we had to scale in the trade to start with, but then we would have to know what the price discovery would be and how to validate price discovery in live entry and exits is the key to success. Don't let anyone fool you and tell you that it's easy when it's not. No, it's not. We've been doing it for 35 years, but we are only doing it the right way. And we're doing it with what? Price discovery. And you can see the 60-minute, and that is the 60-minute reversal bar. He comes up right below the trend line that we had drawn there, right to the half bar value of the opening bell. That was the extreme low. And then we have alerts here, and then it looks like he may come down and hit an alert in here. And the values go higher. When the bids go lower, then these values would go up and these values would go up. And we're going to hold them. We put them out to sell at $124. And the reason why is because we're masters in the option market and we know how to manipulate the market makers because we are the market maker in this trade, in these options. And they are doing everything relative to intraday morning price discovery in dollar terms. Once again, it was a great reversal after making a blow off top of $14.99 parabolic. And we have been through this with shot before at different price levels. believe it or not, it used to be when it only went up to 1280 and then it would drop $200. Yeah, it did over time. And it can have, it's not immune after it makes 100% overbought on the daily chart. And we have that recorded. And I'm going to go on pause because we are now exactly 120 minutes starting a new 60-minute bar that we're going to start. I will go ahead. I mean, yeah, that'd be a 30-minute bar versus the hourly bar. I'm sorry. Yeah, there's your hourly bar now. We've seen the 30-minute. Now let's go back to the 15-minute bar. And there it is. The 15 is sitting right there on that trend line where we have an alert. He hasn't triggered my alert yet. He's within pennies of it. And this is the intraday process in price discovery relative to a blow off top 15-minute doji reversal option trading room. This is live. It's here. It's now. And it's price discovery identity trading for big money in the option trading room. Open the bell. We just got an alert that shop broke, and it did. And we can see that these values are going up, and I have them out to sell at $124 and some change, and I do. And once again, we haven't totally broke down, but this is live, okay? And it is. And there is the 1440 bid. After that price reversal, bam, we broke it here. And now we have to break below this half bar, close below this. And we will set an alert on the 15-minute right here. Bam. And the reason why, that's about half the distance of the total width of that bottom that came up. And that is going to be a support level with that reversal. So the values are going higher here when, if we break, you can see it's $107 right there. And our entry is 92.60. And so we have three of these contracts in the 1500s, but it's price discovery. They don't go higher unless we do what? It's very simple. I'm going to make it simple. That bid here drops back down below. He's got support on the 15-minute, and he does. So until these bids direct electronically, we see that they act like they're buyers.
Market data
really
connection lost.
So this is the key to knowing what to do with price discovery.
Market data connection lost.
Relative to making
market data connection reestablished.
In your put options based
market
on
data
the price
connection
only,
reestablished.
not fantasy, not speculation, not any of it. And we're masters at being able to read what they do over here and how these prices will move accordingly based on the 15-minute chart. And that's a support level there. And he did not break it in price. He did not. So there is the 5-minute reversal right here. Okay. So these lows down here, there's an alert. There's the wick. We did not break it. So price discovery to current bid is now $3 above that 1440 area. So once again, it's electronic. We're going to take a look right here. We're direct access to the floor, and we are. But now the prices are coming up on that 5-minute wick. Right here is where it rested at 1435. That was the low of that 5-minute wick, 1435. And now you can see these numbers and the bids that they're lining here, that they keep jumping in front. Now, we've seen that happen all day, and we're going to see once again, do we come down? And where is this volatility in price going to hold? And this is how it's done. in price discovery trading options live